everybody, ChestnutMtnTinman here. It is Tuesday afternoon, November 22nd at about 1:52. I'm out here at the range. I have shot my 300 blackout, which will come after this. I didn't do an entry, so I'm doing it now. Now I have the 22s and the 9mm I'm going to shoot and enjoy. The first couple rounds I'm going to fire will be without the suppressor, and then the suppressor. Let's see. Guess I need to put you where you can see me. Power. Here's the suppressor in its short mode. They say those are subsonic. Makes me wonder. I know these aren't. So let's look. I want to see what one of these sound like. And I am shooting it in the short mode, but you would think 22 would be very quiet. Noticeable difference. I would have to say. Fairly quiet. These are 124 grain. Now these are 147. Why are you doubling? That's weird. Wild that it's double tapping. I don't think I can double tap that fast. Ah! I'm gonna shoot that without my ears. This is the full entire long stage. This little piece right here is what you take off to make it the short. Then this piece right here is the lid that allows Glock style pistols to cycle and not shoot this. Then I'm going to put it on the 43X. See how it does there. Okay, let's try it. Quite a bit quieter on there. With the full, I'd have to shoot it with the full suppressor, it appears. Alright, here we go. 43X, 147 grain subsonic, full suppressor. Huh. Still pretty loud. Didn't even hear that with ears on. I tell you, there's definitely things that go into play with suppressors. These are 147 grain hollow points from, who are they from? Can't remember. Browning? Didn't even realize I had them. But it does give me hollow points. Well, let me pick up some brass and I'll be back.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Take a couple shots at the big gong up there, but I'll wait until between what you're doing. So
no hurry. Huh. Want that for the back?
Yeah, I'll try it. I'll shoot this at the gong first.
Yeah, just don't get the muzzle on that thing.
No, I'll go out in front of it. Nice wood on this thing.
Look at that. That's beautiful wood.
Yeah, it looks really, like in the light inside, it's just this'll just pop out of there.
That's incredible.
I mean,
I've never seen anything quite like that.
The other thing you have to watch, if I can
hit the gong with it.
Yeah.
Good deal.
Double check. The 30, 30, and 30. Okay, we good?
Yep. All right, my friends, that was fun. Glad you could come along and enjoy it. Kind of learning out the ins and outs of this suppressor. Yeah, is it the best? No. Is it the worst? Probably not. But I have one now. I forgot to turn the camera on. I shot it wet, and it was quieter, like my buddy Russ said it would be. So that's interesting. So I hope you enjoyed coming out here with me. And this is the ChestnutMtnTinman. Don't forget to hit like, comment, words, emojis, or both. Tell me if you like this. I'm trying to do more of it. And if you can't watch the entire video, don't X out in the middle. Grab that slider to the right. And if you're not a subscriber, help my channel grow. It's the only way YouTube channels grow, and that's by a new subscriber. Hit my subscribe button, the bell icon if you want notifications, and guess what? I'll do the same for you and help your channel grow if I'm not already. Tin Man saying, go pew pew, it's fun.